Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Esther and this is Seed Stars. If today is your first time of stopping by, please don't forget to subscribe and hit on the bell icon to get notified whenever I drop a new video, and give this video a thumbs up if you find it interesting. I've done a tutorial on this kind of design, but I want to show us how to achieve this without using a plain pattern like the first one, like this one that we're seeing beside on my right hand. I use a plain satin for the down and the design on the neckline to the chest line and the sleeve. I use a plain, then I use bias to design it, but this one I will also show you how you can achieve it without using any plain material. So this one here is just the drafting. There's nothing much about the drafting. I will just go ahead and draft it. If you want that you saw on the video, the green, the down part, I use a black satin, then I use a bias to design it. And the same thing with the neckline, the same thing with the sleeve. I use designs. I use black material, plain material for the sleeve, the down part, and the front, the neckline. And then I use a bias to design it. But this one, we are just going to use the plain material. Instead of using it on the half part like that, I will be using it as the bias. I will cut stripes of it and use it as to bias it, to design it like that. That is to say, the full gown will be one material. I'm not going to combine it. It will just be one material, the African print for the, then I'll use the plain to design it. So this is how we're going to be doing it. You go ahead and draw lines, give 1 inch gap on your, you measure from your shoulder to your knee or to above your knee. My own is 38. Then the down part, you design, you mark 1 inch on the down part as I did on my own like this. And then the upper part, you measure on one side. I measure my own 12 inches, the other side as well 12 inches. Then on the middle, the way I go up with my tape, because I took 3.5 inches down for the neck there, so you take your tape out with that neck tape, then I mark 18 inches. That is where my half waist is. Then you connect it with a V, and then from the center you start marking your 1 inch on one side to stop where you want it to be, and on the other side I do the same thing. This is what I did. My own, I stop where like 1 inch away from where I will attach my sleeve to the main bodies. Then you go ahead and draw the line just as you see me doing. You go ahead and draw the lines like this. So these lines you will be able to attach your stripes, and these are the stripes that I've cut, and these are the lines that I've marked on my fabric. Can we see there's no, I'm not attaching any plain material to this. So these are the lines. Then you go ahead and fold your stripes on it and stop stitch it. And this is me showing you how you can do it. I pick my stripe. The wideness of my stripe is 1 inch. I will fold 1/4 inch on one side and place it on the lines like this. This is the sleeve. I've done it on the bodies already. So this is the sleeve. I will be folding 1/4 inch as you are sewing it on it, just like I am doing, like so. This is how you'll be doing it. Please guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and leave a comment on the comment section. Let me know what you think about my tutorial. Let me know the area you want me to improve on. I would really appreciate if you drop a comment. So you top stitch it like this until you reach the end. Keep on folding it in with 1/4 inch until you reach the end like this, and then you go ahead and cut out the excess, just like I'm doing here. Cut the excess out, and then you turn it. This is what I'm having. You turn it again, and then you fold the other side as well with 1/4 inch, and then you go ahead and start top stitching it just like you did with the first side. Go ahead and stop stitch it as well. Let me know between this one and the green one, which one do you prefer? The one with the plain material, or this one with directly on the Ankara print? Let me know which one is your favorite on the comment section. I don't know what's happening to my machine. This small knot here is busy popping out. This is what you should be having. So that is to say is a 1/2 inch that I placed there. Now you pick this one. Remember, it's 1 inch stripe I cut. You pick it and fold it with 1/4 inch on one side, fold it with 1/4 inch on the other side, and then you fold it again. That is to say the whole stripe is 1/4 inch now. That is if you want it to be slimmer like this. But I want it to be 1/2 inch. But if you want 1/4 inch, that's what you do. But I want it to be 1/2 inch. I want it to be bolder. So I'll go ahead and do the same thing that I did with the first one, and then top stitch it like that as well, leaving a 1 inch space. Cut it out, turn it to the other side, and top stitch it, folding it 1/4 inch like this till I reach the end. And that is how I will do with every other one. And the sleeve is just 4 stripes I place on the sleeves. So this is what we'll be having. This is how my own came out. Then I'll go ahead and finish everything up, place it on my mannequin so it shows how this one is looking from the other one. And this is what we're having. So guys, this brings us to the end of our tutorial. If you find this video interesting, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about it. And so, well, thank you guys. This brings us to the end. At the end of the day, you use a stripe to lock the rough edges, to close the rough edges, just like I did. See what I did here? I use a stripe to close it, that V shape. If you don't want a V shape, you can give it any shape you want, but this is what I got. And I did the same thing on the down part. Then I used my mercury stone to design it, to beautify it. So this brings us to the end of the tutorial. Thank you so much guys for watching. Thank you wherever you are watching me from. God bless your nation. God bless Nigeria. Let's stay safe and show love to one another. Thank you so much guys. See you on my next one. Love you all. Bye.